It is no surprise that Mercedes has got big plans to keep the gas running as we usher in the next generation of automobiles soon. The vehicle before you is a full-size luxury sedan that provides a stately presence on the road with plenty of power as well as excellent handling. The S-Class has been Mercedes' leading light in their near-fantastical comfort models, but with new information coming in, the Genesis G90 may be its biggest competitor yet. In today's video, we will be having a first look at Genesis G90 and its groundbreaking features to be expected. Make sure to stick around to find out all you need to know about this futuristic monster. Also, hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more videos like this if you haven't already. A genuine beauty in the automotive industry, the Genesis G90 2022 has come with a big bang. The four-door large luxury car spells out class from the design to the intricate technology to the high level of comfort and style it exudes. The Genesis make always does an outstanding job in delivering vehicles above the premium market segment, so it is not a surprise to witness another jaw-dropping masterpiece coming from their stables. The 2022 model came out bigger and better than those of the years before it, and the differences are obvious. Now, there has been a lot of comparison between the Mercedes S-Class and the Genesis G90 2022, but the Genesis G90 2022 surpasses it, coming out tops in the list of luxury large cars. Make no mistake, they both are state-of-the-art vehicles, but these features will explain better. The Mercedes S-Class, which was formerly known as Sonderklasse, which is German for special class, is a luxury sedan in its rights, and we've witnessed 6 generations of them. The Mercedes S-Class comes with various top-notch features which we will be looking at right now. The S-Class has an awe-inspiring interior with a great infotainment system. The materials used are one to talk about and also very spacious with legroom. The fine details in the making of the interior are also noteworthy. The delicately sewn leathers coupled with the extraordinary wood and metal trim showcase the technology beautifully. Various features keep you pampered while traveling in the vehicle. The massage feature of the front seats, the air fragrance system, and then the rear seats possessing tablets and folding tray tables for pleasure. These features are quite mouth-watering and cannot be overlooked. Over to the exterior of the vehicle, it does not have that loud, notice me opulence, but is simple and chic. It is one to lounge in. As seen above, the interior is quite breathtaking and moved from morning meetings to galas to dinners. Its fuel type is both diesel and petrol. It does not come in flashy colors, and the exterior design is simple with the grille as a curved rectangular design. Making use of the standard BURMESTER 3D surround sound, the S-Class provides the user with hypnotic audio which can be given a personal touch. That's not all for the sound system features. There's a 4D option that fuses resonators into the state-of-the-art seats for you to feel the vibrations and have the full musical experience. To top it all off, there are speakers that are directly at ear level and solely for the driver when information needs to be passed to him alone. Another feature of the S-Class is the engine, which includes 6 and 8-cylinder engines. They can power the S-Class to move at a speed that befits a car of its kind. Every model possesses these new turbo pairs and an electric boost for more than 400 horsepower. There is an accurately measured torque to ensure safe travels anytime, anywhere. Although the safety features of the S-Class cannot be compared to that of the Genesis G90 2022, it still possesses high safety ratings. Now it's time to show off the Genesis G90 and the dazzling things it can do. Let's begin with the design. It's one of bold meets luxury. The vehicle's first attention-demanding statement maker is the Genesis Crest grille. Shaped like a diamond and just as shiny, it is a showstopper. Talking about showstoppers, the LED quad lamps don't disappoint in their shining array and elegant elongated shape different from other models. Still, under the design, the exterior of the vehicle is so sleek and it comes in various colors like Savile Silver, Tasman Blue, Uyuni White, Himalayan Gray, Vic Black, Gold Coast Silver, and Adriatic Blue. This range of colors is a definition of simple but majestic. The 2022 make of Genesis G90 has 2 primary trim levels available for consideration. They are the 3.3T and the 5.0T. They are both obtainable with rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive types to make them more set apart. The amazing thing though is that, despite the trim level of this glorious vehicle you choose, the tires will be low profile. This means much better braking since they have larger rims and wider tires. The weather will not be a barrier or hurdle whether wet or dry. There is also a good grip of the tires to the road, so less swaying from side to side. Because of these factors, the G90 looks like it's smoothly coasting over the road. In addition, It possesses long, smooth lines and an air vent near the front fender. The interior of a vehicle shows the height of comfort, quality, and luxury. Genesis G90 2022 possesses an interior design made for the gods. The driver's seat is 22-way adjustable with smart posture care and an ergonomic seat. This enables you to make use of your profile data to adjust the seat, making it just right for the user. You can also align the steering wheel, outside mirror, and heads-up display to fit your descriptions. The legroom and space within the car are also a great plus to the comfort. We must not forget the Napa leather seats and magnificent wood and stainless steel trimmings and the brilliant suede headliner. This aspect of the vehicle cannot be compared with any other as it gets a 10 out of 10 review. Two bonus super features are the G90's ability to tell if the doors are fully shut or not. It then closes with a soft close function if indeed it is slightly open. This happens either at your entrance or exit of the car. The second one is related to the trunk, so you do not need to use your keys for your trunk directly. Just keep your key fob in your pocket and stand next to the trunk for 3 seconds and the hands-free smart power trunk comes open. You can now view the large cargo space. It is as exhilarating as it is unique. Using a high-class vehicle such as this, safety is of the essence. This car provides that optimally. The bar is not lowered when making these grand chunks of metal as the highest safety precautions were met. The standards are raised so high as to allow ease and security, changing of lanes, using the brakes, navigating the steering, driving out of a parking lot, from the mundane of driving tasks to the riskiest. The excellent driver assistant technologies help prevent any unforeseen circumstances and mishaps. The technology on this exquisite car is out of this world. This is another strong point of the Genesis G90 compared to the Mercedes S-Class. If you can't click the buttons on the touchscreen, there is a knob to make everything so much easier. It has a good-looking fit and finishes. The large digital instrument cluster is not standing on its own as it is joined with a wide infotainment touchscreen for the best viewing experience and pleasure. The smaller screen on the center console is used on the other hand to regulate the temperature in the car. With its 365 horsepower, this large sedan will also possess a 4-wheel steering system. This introduction makes the G90 2022 one of the most important from Hyundai's luxury brand and could be a big turnaround in the automotive industry. Another angle that the Genesis G90 floors the Mercedes is in the price. Owning a car of this caliber showcases one's great taste. It has a manufacturer-suggested retail starting price of $73,950, while that of the Mercedes S-Class is $111,350. Imagine getting all the high-quality goodness of a luxury car such as the Genesis G90 2022. Comfort, state-of-the-art technology, and elegance, and that at a more affordable price. This is why the 2022 Genesis G90 is a better option. It's a sufficient win-win for everybody. Thanks for watching, guys. Shoot us with your comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you later.